Welcome to the monthly progress update from Sketcher Zone 1. August 2025. In this video, we'll walk you through the key milestones achieved across excavation, treatment, and remediation activities during the month. Excavation and transportation. Excavation. All excavation required for remediation is now complete. A total of 3,100,000 metric tons has been excavated cumulatively up to August 2025. Transportation. All contaminated soil for remediation has been transported to the treatment center. 3,430,000 metric tons were transported cumulatively up to August 2025. Backfilling. A total of 50,000 tons was backfilled, including 40,000 tons in August. Backfilling completed at GC22, Sub-Area 8C, Sub-Zone 2. Treatment area. Screening, pulverizing, and placing. Contaminated soil with TPH levels of 1% to 5%, 5% to 7%, and 7% to 10% has been screened, pulverized, and placed on treatment pads. During August, 10,500 tons from the 7% to 10% TPH band were placed. $3,306,000 metric tons cumulatively screened, pulverized, and placed. Remediation progress. Bioremediation. Treatment applied to 47 batches, 423,000 tons. (33 IPT and 17 VT samples collected. All baseline samples for all TPH bands have been collected. (117,000 tons achieved RDC in August 2025. The soil washing plant. (33 batches placed this month, 2 treated with a train of technologies. (18,000 tons achieved RDC this month. Total remediated soil, 2,970,000 tons. 2,785,000 tons via bioremediation and 185,000 tons via the soil washing plant. Landfill. Landfill infilling process status up to August 2025. 921,197 tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by CAC Lamor with a total of 21,262 trips. (904,412 tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by Zone 2 contractor with a total of 19,090 trips. A total of 1,825,609 tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill with a total of 40,352 trips. Material delivery for capping work. 6,900 cubic meters of gravel has been delivered for the erosion protection layer as part of capping operations. 25,200 cubic meters of gatch has been provided for the regulating layer in the capping process. With each passing month, we continue to make significant progress toward our remediation goals. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next update from Sketcher Zone 1.